Your mission today: master the art of scheduling with round-robin calendars. The objectives are: add multiple users to a calendar and understand the round-robin distribution logic. Let's start this covert setup with the help of our high-level specialist, Alex.
What's up, agents? Make sure you are in settings and you are in the calendar section. Then inside the calendars tab, go ahead and hit the new calendar button. After that, select the one that says round robin. Let's call it strategy session. Then for this calendar, there will be two members that will be assigned for the meetings. They will be the user number 1 and user number 2. We will name this strategy spec ops. Then we're going to hit advanced settings. Now inside advanced settings, you will be presented with two options when it comes to the distribution logic. So the first one will be optimized for availability. Optimized for availability means that in the case that these two have the same free time slot available, the one that will get the meeting will be the one that has the high priority or the higher priority. So let's say user 1 has been getting a lot less appointments than user 2. So in order to correct that, we can get this user a higher priority. If we just want this process to be organic, we'll let them in medium priority for both. Now, if you want equal distribution, meaning the system will make sure that both of these team members get a similar amount of appointments, that's how you do it right here. You hit optimize for equal distribution.
Mission accomplished. You understand now the round-robin calendar setup, which ensures tactical fairness and enhanced client relations.